We'll guide you through how to make a table of contents in Google Docs. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.
In this video, we will guide you through how to make a table of content in Google Docs step by step. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. First, open up your Google document where you want to add the table of content. Now, the most important thing to understand is that the table of content in Google Docs works using the heading style and not normal text. So before inserting anything, you need to format your document properly. First, select your main titles. For example, let's say I want to add this as my main title. I will just select it and just click on the drop down for styles and set it to heading 1 and click on apply heading 1 just like so. You can just go ahead and bold it to your liking, and you can also customize your heading by changing both the font style and the font size to match your document's look. And then if you have subsection inside those chapter, you can just select them by just highlighting them just like so and click on the drop down and set it to heading 2 and click on apply heading 2 just like so. You can even go further and add and use heading 3 for smaller section if needed. So let's say I want to add this particular as my heading 3. I'll just click on the drop down and set it to heading 3. And I'll do the same for all of them. And once that you have done that, just go to the first letter of your page and just go to the insert tab and go to break and just add a section break for next page. Just click on it and you will see a page will be successfully added. Now just go ahead and go to the insert once again and go to page element and hover over table of content and choose any of the styles to your liking. I'm just gonna go ahead and go with the plain text. So I'll just click on it and you will see it will be successfully added. So basically this is the main heading, this is the subheading, and these are the smaller sections that we added earlier. Now whenever you make changes in your document, just go ahead and go to table of content, just click on it and click on this refresh icon and it will be successfully updated. And that's it. That's how you create a table of content in Google Docs in just a few simple steps. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.